Hey there, and welcome to your first step away from the 9 to 5 grind. I'm your coach for this course, and I am here to guide you into the exciting world of Shopify dropshipping, where you call the shots.
If you've been dreaming of a business that gives you financial freedom and lets you work from anywhere in the world, this is it. This isn't just another YouTube video. This is your gateway to a brand new lifestyle.
Imagine waking up when you want, working from your laptop and earning money, even while you sleep. Sounds too good to be true?
It's not, and we're living proof. This masterclass will take you from complete beginner to confident store owner. No experience? No problem.
You'll get exclusive access to the exact strategies that helped thousands of our students leave the 9 to 5. We'll show you how to find winning products, how to build a beautiful Shopify store, how to run traffic that actually converts.
And the best part? You don't need to be a tech wizard. We've streamlined every step to be simple, straightforward, and most importantly, successful.
Take Joakim. He was stuck in a corporate job. Now he's doing 4 figures a week on autopilot.
Or Kenneth. He made his first sale before even finishing the course. Let's hear from him.
Not even halfway through the course, I got my first sale. After rewatching the Facebook ads module, I made another $50. This course changed my life.
Every lesson is packed with actionable steps. No fluff, just the exact moves to help you start, grow, and scale. Your dream life is waiting. Let's build it together.
Click the link below to get started,
and we'll see you inside.
But I see what you can't see, the strength inside your soul. Just take that first step now, let your spirit take control. Break through, these walls are made of glass. Break through, the future's in your grasp. Let it shine.